Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, long seen as the quiet force behind ZANU-PF's military backbone, is no longer playing second fiddle. Sources close to the party inner circle review a growing consensus. Like it or not, General Chiwenga is poised to become the first secretary of ZANU-PF and ultimately president of Zimbabwe. Everyone is celebrating. Celebrate mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino, vanhu vachifara kuti general panguva ino aiwa vakuchigreba vakuzochibata manje. Panguva ino vanhu vachisapota VP Constantino Chiwenga chiti aiwa ndiwo watinoda kuve the first secretary weZANU-PF. Aiwa kutungamiri wenyika anoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Vaindi vachipomusa rwanoendera mberi achiti criminal kuda kwaSheta Gray and Wigno Chivayo are reportedly scrambling to control General Chiwenga's momentum in a desperate bid to undermine the vice president's standing. Insiders allege that the duo mobilized 10 buses of youths from the Midlands province to attend the ZANU-PF Congress in Mutare, not to support the party, but to publicly boo Chiwenga. The move, described by one party veteran as a reckless act of sabotage, signals the depth of panic within mnangagwa's loyalist camp. The Midlands, traditionally mnangagwa's stronghold, is now being weaponized in a factional war that threatens to tear the party apart. President Mnangagwa has remained conspicuous, silent, as chants of Pasi Neweza echoed through party gatherings. Whether this is a calculated move to let factions cannibalize each other or a sign of wanting control is unclear. But what is certain is that the center is no longer holding. General Chiwenga, backed by war veterans and the military elite, is consolidating power. Tagure, once the kingmaker behind Mnangagwa's rise, is reportedly being sidelined. Vehicles donated by criminal Tagure have been recalled. His influence is shrinking, and Chivayo's flamboyant displays of wealth are no longer enough to mask the growing resentment within party ranks. This is not just a succession battle, it's a full-blown political reckoning. The youth are being weaponized, business interests are clashing with the military authority, and the silence from the top is deafening. If Chiwenga ascends, it will mark the return of hardline military discipline to Zimbabwe's leadership. If Tagure and Chivayo succeed in derailing him, it will be a triumph of money over merit. Either way, ZANU-PF is at the crossroads and the nation is watching. Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe. Tunze mafunguro eimuri udi pamusoro pezviitiko zvimira kumesection medu. Subscribe or like chitonga